Okay, so good morning. So dahil nga wala pa rin pasok, ating pagpapatuloy yung ating discussion about special product. Ngayon, pupunta naman tayo dun sa tinatawag nating product of sum and difference of two terms. So pag sinabi nating product and sum and difference of two terms, ibig sabihin nasa binomial times binomial pa rin tayo. Two terms times two terms. Pag sinulat natin yon in the form ng binomial, susulat lang po natin siya as A plus B times A minus B. Okay, so A plus B times A minus B, ayan po yung sum and difference of two terms. Ngayon, yung product, kasi minumultiply natin binomial times binomial. As you see, A plus B, ito yung sum. A minus B, ito naman yung difference. At doon sa una nating discussion regarding multiplying binomial times binomial, pwede nyo pa rin itong gamitan ng FOIL method. So pag in-apply natin yan ng FOIL method or ng SMILE method, magkakaroon tayo ng A times A, magkakaroon po tayong A squared. B times B or negative B or minus B, magkakaroon tayo ng negative B squared. Okay? So, ngayon, observe nyo yung middle term natin. B times A. Magkakaroon po tayo ng positive AB. Okay? While on the other hand, negative B times A or A times negative B, magkakaroon naman tayo ng negative AB. Okay? As you see, dito sa ating na-solve na equation, we're going to have A squared minus B squared plus AB minus AB. Kung makikita nyo, si AB, positive AB, minus AB, they are similar terms. Dahil similar terms tong dalawa, pwede nyo na silang i-cancel out or tanggalin. Okay, so ibig sabihin, ang matitira na lang is yung A squared minus B squared. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, pag nagmumultiply tayo ng sum and difference of two terms, ito lang yung format na dapat nyong sundin. Ibig sabihin, i-squared nyo lang yung first term at i-squared nyo lang yung last term. In regards of operation, lagi po yung minus pag sum and difference of two terms. So, para mas maintindihan natin, magkaroon tayo ng example. Okay? So, na pwede nyo ring sabayan sa inyong bahay. So, for example, we have x plus 5 times x minus 5. So, as you see, isang plus, isang minus. Baka magtanong kayo, sir, pwede ka magkabaliktad, mauna yung x minus 5 kaysa sa x plus 5. Wala pong problema. Tatandaan nyo po, pagka sila magkaparehas ng sign, sila ay perfect square trinomial na, which is yung na-discuss natin last time. So, pero pag sila magkaiba, sila ay sum and difference of two terms. So, ibig sabihin, pag pinag-multiply natin sila, pwedeng i-direct nyo na. Kahit hindi na kayo mag-SMILE method, gumamit na lamang kayo ng formula. Ibig sabihin, ang magiging sagot po dyan is ano gayong first term natin? A, ulit, is representing the first term. A, so unang term. So dito sa ating example, ang unang term natin is x. So ibig sabihin, pwede tayong magkaroon po dyan, isulat natin, x squared. Then, by the formula itself, minus yung gitna po natin. So magkakaroon tayo ng minus. Then, yung last term, B and B. So, dito, 5 and 5. So, magkakaroon tayo ng 5 squared. So, ibig sabihin, sinunod na natin siya by using yung formula na na-derive natin kanina using SMILE method or FOIL method in multiplying binomials. So, magkakaroon tayo ng ganitong expression or equation. So, we have x squared minus 5 squared. So, x squared, x times x, ibig sabihin, ang sagot po dyan is x. Okay, y on the other hand, x squared pala. Ayan, may exponent ha. Then, on the other hand, we have negative. Copy lang po yung sign. 5 squared 5 times 5. So what will be the answer? 5 times 5, walang ibang sagot kundi 25. Okay? So ibig sabihin, ito na po yung pinaka sagot. Okay, let's try another one. Ibayin naman natin yung letter. Gawin naman natin MN minus 8. Then MN plus 8. Okay? So we have MN minus 8 times MN plus 8. So MN minus 8 times MN plus 8. So ang magiging sagot naman natin dyan, same as ginawa natin kanina, pwede nyong isulat muna sila in terms ng formula natin. MN squared minus ang ating last term 8. So magkakaroon tayo ng 8 squared. So ganyan na yung magiging format natin. MN squared times MN minus 8 squared. So magkakaroon tayong MN times MN. So MN times MN, magkakaroon po tayong M squared N squared. Okay, minus, so what is 8 squared? 8 times 8. 8 times 8 is 64. So ito na po yung pinaka sagot. Okay? So I hope ay naintindihan nyo yung konsepto ng product of sum and difference of two terms. This is one category ng special products na kung saan ay lesson natin, ngunit dahil sapagkat may bagyo pa rin ay hindi pa rin tayo makapag face to face. So again, ay nawa naintindihan nyo at maya maya ay magbibigay ako ng activity. Okay? Yan. Tulad ng sabi ko, ay bibigyan ko kayo ng activity. So I hope ay madali lang naman yung pattern na pwede nyo gamitin in solving product of sum and difference of two terms. So tulad ng sabi ko, meron ulit yung sasagutan. Pakilagay ulit sa inyong notebook. At pag tayo ay magkita-kita ay muli ay kita natin naman. Okay, so ito yung inyong magiging pinaka-activity. No? So activity natin, another activity is find the product of the following binomial. So we have x plus 9 times x minus 9, e plus 11 times e minus 11, AB minus 15 times AB plus 15, x plus yj times x minus yj, and the last one is m squared minus 7 times m squared plus 7. So I hope ay sana masagutan nyo po ito. At yun nga, ay naintindihan nyo. Kung kayo may mga katanungan, ay pwede nyo namang chat si sir, no, sa ating GP. I-send ko rin yung picture ng ating activity para doon sa mga hindi naman makakapanood ng video. Muli ay magpapaalam lang sir at so again, ito ang inyong kaibigang Otto, nagpapaalam. Ito ang Otto nyo, ang Otto, para magsabi sa inyo na kayo ay mag-ingat at lumayo kayo, huwag na kayong dumala, baka kayo ay madala ng hangin at ng baka. Again, gawin nyo yung activity and see you when I see you. God bless and take care. Bye-bye!